So now let's say you have just merged your code from your repo to the test dash BiyeKorun repo. So now Maisha wants to push her code as well. Can you walk me through the process? What she has to follow to push her code?
Yeah, it's the same process like me. So that's after he modified the code, after that she can push it. Otherwise, she cannot push if he doesn't do any kind of more modification. So the same process, she have to use the git add dot command to initialize all of the code that she did in this git branch. After that, she used to the git commit to make a meaningful message for the developers that what she did, and then he just have to use the git push. When she's in her branch, it will push the code, all of that in her branch. After that, the team manager or the team lead can see the pull request, and he or she can compare them if it's going to create any kind of error in the code or not. After that, he or she can merge it to the main branch.
Got it. But the